Honestly, guys, fuck it. Here's how I make over $100,000 every single month online making Fortnite maps, so you guys can literally just copy me at the palm of your fingers and replicate the same success. This video is going to be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter or if I pause, bear with me. But if you guys are looking at my screen, this game has amassed 59,000 players, and it's making a grand total of $5,000 every single hour. How is this possible? Well, if we go to the player count of how many people are actually contributing to the Fortnite ecosystem and making games, there's only 40,000 people. So the competition is not a lot. 12 million people are making $10 million every single year. 328 people are making $300,000 a year. And 197 people have become full-time millionaires every single year. And I'm one of those people. I have a software called Verseify that will literally build your games out of thin air. And obviously I'm the largest creator inside of this space, but how do you actually get started? Well, if all of you guys can follow along with me, this article called Fortnite Epic Games Payment, this is how you guys are going to be seeing how to actually get paid inside of Fortnite Creative when you're actually trying to make games. So the article is right about here. Just search up Fortnite Creative Payout, and the article is right here. And this is where it actually lists how much money they're going to be giving you. So they give around 40% of their monthly revenue to the top people inside of the space, which I believe is phenomenal and seriously insane. Because if you guys look here, we have the screenshots here. These are the tabs of people making thousands of dollars for literally just doing nothing. It is not hard to actually get started making games. But if we want to go to the engagement size of how much revenue is actually being stored and how much money they're actually giving away, they have their own article. They have their own article showing you, and I'll find it right now. So Epic Games, Fortnite, 40%. Or AI overview can just do it for me. But we go here and we take a little look-see. We click this link over here. You guys will see the Fortnite creator economy 2.0. Starting March 1st, 2023, Epic began reserving 40% of the monthly revenue that they make to the top people inside of the space, which is around $500 million a month, guys. You know, like that's literally life-changing opportunity, life-changing wealth. And the fact that I'm in a position where I can inspire thousands of people to help them get started, which I'm going to show you right now how to do, all you literally have to do is download the Fortnite Epic Games Launcher. So you guys can go ahead and just search up Fortnite Epic Games Launcher, and this is how you guys can actually get started. Like I said earlier, guys, mind the pauses and the stuttering. Usually these videos are edited, but all you guys have to do is just press install on Windows, and when you guys are actually downloaded the Epic Games Launcher, you guys can go to your taskbar and load up Epic Games Launcher. And this is how you're going to be getting started making yourselves games. Obviously, back in Season 9, there was a whole bunch of issues because with the phone, there was kind of limited memory. There was, obviously, this was like 6 years ago now, but there was a lot of things that you couldn't do inside of Fortnite map making that you can now do today because of UEFN and the potential that's there for all of us. So when you guys have downloaded the Epic Games Launcher, all you guys have to do is search up Unreal Editor for Fortnite, which is around right about here. So it's completely free. You don't have to do anything. Mind you, you do have to be 18 years of age to actually get started making games, but there's a little workaround that I'll show you guys throughout this video. What you could do is just use your parental guardian information. Obviously, do not take their financial credit cards. Actually ask them politely. Show them this video. Show them this video of the potential of people making millions of dollars, right? So when you guys go ahead and load inside of UEFN, which what I'm going to do right now, my computer might freeze, it might lag, I don't know. So if it cuts out, it cuts out. But while we're loading in here, guys, you guys really gotta hop on this, bro, because I'm making this the biggest business of all time. Mark my words, this is gonna be the biggest thing in 2025, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, and that's why I'm making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month, just like what Verseify is doing as well, my software company, with my partner Logan, where it'll literally allow you to bring your fantasies and dreams to life. If you guys go here, we press login, we go ahead and type whatever script we want, double pump. All we have to do, make me a double pump script, and it's gonna generate the working code for us right in front of us. Obviously, since we clicked the little 4-box query, it's not really set up for that, so we can go ahead and just manually type it out. So this is all we have to do. Create me a double pump script. Clearly, I cannot type, so since I'm typing so fast, I might not understand what I really want to create. But this is pretty easy to do, guys. Like, Verseify is a software that you guys can use to make millions of dollars, you know? Here we have the script. Here's the working code. This is how you guys can make codes for your games and make thousands of millions of dollars a month. You know, it's at your disposal. And, you know, while we're loading into UEFN, I want to talk to you guys about the content and the channel, because if you guys go on Fortnite map making, there's not a lot of people doing what I'm doing, and there's not a lot of people also educating people. Like if we search up Fortnite map making course, you're not going to see a single person. I'm literally the only person in the world, and it's kind of upsetting because it's kind of hard to bring more people in, you know, right? The highest views in this video is 72,000, and that's pretty much me there. Like, I'm the top search result, and I'd love for you guys to get more on board in map making, because once it's popular, it's not going anywhere. And I'm the first person in the entire world to make this popular, and I want to show you guys exactly how you guys can capitalize and get rich. Because if you guys are still watching this video, I don't want to bore you guys, but if we go here, for example, this game, where is it at? Where is it at? This one. The Squid Games game has made over $1 million in a single weekend. Look at this. So obviously it's just, well, it's been 2 weeks now, but $1.3 million in 2 weeks, guys. Okay? And these are people, right? These developers I personally talked to. Like, these guys, like, we're all leveling up together. Like, in my Discord, which is in the link in the description, thousands and thousands of people are in the Discord where we're all motivating each other to get rich together. You know, obviously I'm ahead of you, right? Because that's how I have authority. I gain the skills so I can teach you. But I'm not that ahead of you. You know, we all have different goals in lives, right? And comparison is the thief of joy. And that's why I want to have all of you guys get started today, as we can, together, you know, before it's too late. So we're going to load into UEFN. We're loaded in UEFN. And what we're going to do is load up projects. This is pretty much the Excel grid. This is where we load into our projects, inside of UEFN. So if we go to verse code testing, this is where I test my software for tutorials and videos to show you guys that it actually works. But the premise of making money is fairly easy. Epic Games pays you 40% of the monthly revenue, but it's based off of island retention. So it's like a YouTube video, right? Like, you guys still watching this content, you have to be averaging a lot of people inside of your game. So around 1,000 players is around $30,000 a month, and 10,000 players is obviously $300,000 a month. The revenue at stake here is astronomically insane. Like, the potential is there. It's really there, guys. It's really there, you know? And I need you guys all to get on board with this today. I know I said no editing, but bro, I look nerdy as hell in that video. But I'm not making fun of myself. I'm smart as hell. I'm making thousands of dollars. I'm motivating millions of people. I'm chilling, right? But like, bro, when I had my glasses like this, I look like Santa Claus. Sorry guys, sorry for goofing around, but let's get you guys back on track here. So like I said, when you guys are loaded inside of the Unreal Editor, all you guys literally have to do is move W, A, S, and D to move around, and we have the content drawer where we can drag and drop things inside of Fortnite. All right. So we can literally drag and drop whatever we want. We have like The Rock over here. I don't know who the hell that is. Moana 2. Movie sucks at the box office. Blah, blah, blah. Like, I don't even know what these skins are sometimes. But, you know, Fortnite has some crazy shit. But guys, if you're looking at the revenue here, this is what you guys want to be doing to make a lot of money. Okay. So if we go to the ranked here, this is Epic's own game mode that they're profiting off of. Like, look. $3 million just like that. And I've made hundreds of thousands. And let me show you guys exactly how really quickly. So if you guys go to my Discord, which is in the link in the description, there's around 3,000-ish people in here. And let me show you guys how I'm making majority of the money, okay? So obviously we help this guy. He has 600 players on his game. And if we go to Fortnite Maps, we go over here. My Discord has a lot of people inside of it, so it's kind of hard to find all the channels. But we have my friend here. He's made $6,000 every single month. Here we go, $6,000 here. And lots of money here. And my loyal fan got himself a computer and helped out his mom with groceries as well. Like, these guys are making millions and millions of dollars. You know? Like, this is what you guys need to be doing to make games. You know, this is what you guys want to be doing. And it's very insane, the potential of what's to come with all of this, right? So if you guys actually want to get started making games, you guys can join Fort Mafia. You guys can get Verseify, which will help you make games. You can have me coach you and mentor you. Obviously, this video was more like freestyling, right? And I literally just wanted to give you the truest, authentic version of me, right? And because I know a lot of the times on YouTube, there's not like a lot of, you know, presence. You know, I want to be emotionally connected with you guys. I want you guys to connect with me, right? So I wanted to kind of shatter your self-doubts and beliefs in front of your eyes, because I know a lot of you guys think this isn't real. You know, there isn't that much money to be made, but there is, right? And I'm making this very popular for everyone. So I love you guys, and I cannot thank you guys enough for watching this content. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach it down below. I'll see you guys very soon, okay? I love you guys. This is how I make over $100,000 every single month online making Fortnite Maps. I'll see you guys very soon. We're going to change the world together. Love you guys, man. If you guys want to get pre-made games, you guys can join the Discord and link in the description. Literally $10 for thousands of games. You can repost and make millions of dollars. No brainer decision, but I'll see you guys soon, okay? Love you guys. Peace out.